Now, to the scales of justice, 5 suspects implicated in the murder of Kasipul, a Member of Parliament, Charles Ong'ondo Were, will remain in custody and undergo mental assessment before taking a plea. Here is that story.
At the Milimani Criminal Division, 2 suspects Isaac Kuria and the late Charles Were's bodyguard Alan Omondi appeared virtually before Justice Margaret Muigai. The court directed that both undergo a mental assessment before they can take a plea. Justice Muigai further ordered that they be provided legal representation, either privately or through a state assistance. The case will be mentioned on Wednesday, June 18, 2025, for further directions. 3 other suspects, William Imoli Shigali alias Aimo, Edwin Oduor Odhiambo alias Muchani, and Abel Ochieng alias Dave Kolo, were arraigned at the Kibera High Court, but could not take pleas with the charges until mental assessments are completed. Justice Diana Kavetsa ordered the trio to be detained at the Nairobi Remand Prison for 14 days to allow for evaluation at Mathare National Teaching and Referral Hospital. One of the accused will be held in isolation following security concern raised in court.
I want you to say his words, exact words. What did the suspect say?
He said,
Can you show me the person who uttered those words?
I heard those words myself personally.
Yes.
The gentleman in the white shirt.
Bail was denied for all 3 suspects due to alleged threats made against the prosecution team.
As the chair of the CUC, it's my duty to ensure that your rights are not violated and that you do not violate the rights of others. The mere utterance of the words "huyu tutamua" has frightened the prosecutor out of this court. The question is, how about the witnesses? It is on that ground alone that the 3 of you will be denied bail at this juncture.
The matter is scheduled for mention on Tuesday, June 17, 2025.
Defense.
And a magistrate court has dismissed claims by Mumias East Member of Parliament Peter Salasya that he was tortured while in custody. Principal Magistrate Paul Mutai ruled that the court lacks jurisdiction to release exhibits at this stage and directed the case to proceed to pre-trial on Wednesday, June 18, 2025.
Under the circumstances, I find no evidence to show that his rights as contemplated under Section 25A&B were violated and the application by defense stand dismissed.
Salasya was charged with hate speech on Monday, May 19, 2025, and was released on a cash bail of 200,000 Kenya shillings. Letua Debra for Prime Edition.